Hello, everyone. It's been a while, but this is Tanya with Tuesdays with Tanya. And I hope everyone is enjoying their Monday. Mondays is usually my favorite day. It's payday for me. So, absolutely love Mondays. But I have something I wanted to share with you that has been really special, at least in my family, and for so many people around the world. In response to the pandemic and the social unrest and everything that's happening in the world, our CEO of our company has decided to create an opportunity called 2020 Grad. And it's an opportunity for all 2020 graduates around the world to have mentorship from multimillionaires throughout the summer, an opportunity to build their own business. And one of these special grads at the end of the summer will have an opportunity to earn a $5,000 scholarship that they can use for college or whatever they like. And so I want to share with you a brief video with our CEO talking about his mission for this program and why he decided to do this and use his platform to create change and a solution for what's going on. But before we do so, when you decide that you want to, as a parent, help your student get involved, or you as a 2020 grad want to get started, you'll need to go to iBoom Grad, IBUUM grad, GRAD.com. And you will also need to enter a specific TSA number, and that is what links us together in this project. And so that TSA number for myself, Tanya Lawrence, is TSA, all capital letters, 8712552. And I'll put it below in the comments. If you're watching on Facebook, it'll be there. If you're watching on YouTube, it will be there as well. But again, I want to share just a very special video from our CEO talking about this initiative and why it's so important based on everything that's happening right now in the world. So here we go.
When I take a look at the pandemic and what has transpired, it's made a big change. It's made a lot of uncertainty. It's been fear. It's been a lot of questions, incomplete answers. It's been all over the place, and I think there has also brought opportunity as well. So on both spectrums, when you have something like this, when there's a lot of questions, and whoever finds answers brings about or expands opportunity. And so my thought process is always looking for what's the opportunity in what we have in this pandemic here. Right. Not being an opportunist, but how can I solve a problem? What problem can I solve? I look at iBoom Grad as a solution. Why? Because right now we have record unemployment. We have jobs that are being lost every day. We are having record foreclosure. We're having record evictions. Businesses are closing down at record numbers. And many of the people who are graduating this year were on the path to going to further their education for a job, and many of those jobs won't even exist anymore because the world is changing. And when I look at what iBoom Grad does, it actually gives them preparation of being able to work with very successful entrepreneurs, people who have started businesses from home and have become very, very successful without the formal training of a university. But being in that environment allows a young person to see that they can start an idea and be able to bring that idea to the marketplace and actually earn income from it. And so one of the things that I think is most important is experience of working with successful entrepreneurs. Regardless if you want to become a professional, or if you want to do something in technology, or if you want to do something in education, it doesn't matter. Having the experience of working with people who started something from the ground and made it successful is always good to put in your resume. iBoom Grad is a program that we put in place that allows people who were graduating the year of 2020, who have had their whole life expecting to graduate 2020, expecting to have a ceremony, expecting to have all of these things, whose lives have been changed. Many of them, their dreams have been shattered temporarily. And we thought it would be a great idea to do our part, and that is to offer them a way to get involved in business at our highest level, value of about $1,400, that will cost them nothing. No monthly subscription. Our pack, which is normally $1,000, that will be granted to them as well. But the purpose of it is for them to be able to learn in this environment. We want nothing from them but to give. They also have an opportunity to earn. They can start and utilize that to build a business, to build a customer base, and there's no expense to them whatsoever. And it's our way of recognizing the change and the immediate detour of plans that they've all had, and that's what we wanted to do for the entire world in 2020 for iBoomerang. The iBoom Grad program is specifically designed for high school kids on a global basis. Our deadline for that program, or the duration of it, was from June 1st until the end of the month, which is June 30th. And any person who wants to become a part of that program, and we highly encourage you, if you know someone who fits that criteria, encourage them. Get involved with our program, and they've got one entire month, the month of June, that they can actually enroll into that program. So what we wanted to do with the iBoom Grad program was not only get them into this environment, we wanted to encourage them to be productive and give them a spirit of competition as well throughout the summertime. And that was, we put together a $5,000 scholarship, and the graduate who will actually earn that will be the one who's actually enrolled in our program and become most productive from building a business, gaining customers, and really applying the principles that we teach from entrepreneurship. The way you apply for iBoom Grad is go to iboomgrad.com. There's an application that's there that you submit. You complete the entire application. You also submit a video of why you want to become a part of this program. Once that is done, we actually take you through the enrollment process. Once we verify that you are a high school graduate of 2020, we take you through the enrollment process, and now you are in business for yourself and have the opportunity to have unlimited earnings and unlimited learning as well. So make it real simple. Everyone that you know of who qualifies, have them apply.
So there you have it. That is our 2020 iBoom Grad program. Again, the deadline for all high school graduates from 2020 anywhere in the world, the deadline to apply is the end of this month, June 30th. If you want more information, inbox me on Facebook. My name is Tonya Lawrence, or you can go to my page, which is Tonya Lawrence Page. I also have a page called Tuesdays with Tonya. So several ways that you can find me on Facebook. Make sure you inbox me for any questions. Also at the bottom of this chat, if you're on Facebook Live or in watching on YouTube, I have my contact information so that you'll be able to get your questions answered. Let's help these students have a wonderful and productive summer. Again, the TSA number that you need to add, or the student needs to add when applying, is TSA 8712552. And that ensures that I'm their sponsor and helping them throughout the process, making sure that they have all the information they need and the support that they need. And so with that, I am so glad that you guys took the time to watch this video, and congratulations to all of our 2020 graduates.